Yo, what's up, guys? So I thought of making a animal company video. So let's go. Guys, what are we gonna do? I have so much money right now. Like, look.
That's not a lot.
That's a lot.
Yeah, not a lot, but
I think I have the most money.
for some people it is. Should we go sewer, guys?
Yeah. I'm going to pay you. I just want.
Huh? Wait, what?
Beautiful.
Why did you do that bomb? I just realized. I'm like,
Constipated. I just had to let it all out. Fine, well,
someone get a flashlight. A big one, please.
They generally spawn and spawn.
Help! I need help. Well, they spawn.
Well,
I found a crate.
Am I the one?
Chat, wait, I'm on my way. Chat, wait, I'm on my way.
Is that a pipe? I can't see.
Chat, wait.
go, go, go. Do not run very fast, guys.
Well, I'm gonna touch
No, there's mimic.
Okay.
Stop.
Coming down.
I don't think he can make that jump, can he?
No, you can't make that.
Dang.
If a player can't, a bot can't.
He didn't follow.
Which one? Which tunnel?
I'm the only one left.
Which tunnel should we do?
There's only one tunnel and it's that one.
Guys, we're gonna go to Zero Grav. I'm gonna chill there.
Wait, is there more than Zero Grav?
Oh no. I haven't passed there. Second Abby. Wanna go in? Oh, come on.
Just run. To make me run! Run! Yes!
Are you going to throw?
We're in zero grav.
I'm gonna get another one.
Don't. Oh no, my VR! It's very laggy right now. So if the quality is getting bad right now, guys, I'm very sorry.
We're coming to zero gravity.
Okay, stay.
I'm so, oh,
Also,
they made these
only
things
have
way
that
more.
one.
No, I need to get the max weed. I need to get the max. You know what? Like this. What? Don't pick this one either. Don't pick this one either. You need to get the right one.
We made it to zero gravity. Alright,
We're here.
That means I can just pick up this stuff.
Give me that one. Give me that one.
You guys
Behind
can
you.
all get one. There's one up there. I can't
Somebody get it.
Guys, what are we supposed to do?
Who was that? Oh, we didn't.
Why?
Alright, come on.
How are we
let's
supposed
go.
to pass? How are we
I know,
supposed
I
to
know,
pass?
I know. I've done this like 10 times. Come on, just follow me.
I've done this 100 times.
Just follow me, just follow me. Make sure not to hit the tentacle. You almost hit it.
Nigger.
Jump over that, hit that to make it go down. Yep.
Follow
Be
the
careful.
lights.
Come over here. Pass through. Bring myself again because I'm going too fast. You just come over here. Run, run, run. And you gotta come over here.
Am I gonna actually beat this for once?
Have you never beat Zero? This is the hardest thing, but it's actually really easy. They need to make harder. There's anglerfish at the end. There's like there's two anglerfish guarding the exit. This one's the easiest. You just need to have friends or it's too scary.
It's not scary alone, by the way.
Guys,
Yeah.
Up here.
Here, turn your flashlight
Up
off.
here.
Oh, I normally go this way.
Oh! Oh!
I think we're the only ones.
no!
You're a frog, dude, on yourself, you got this.
You can do it, soldier.
You got this. I am going to zero gravity.
Be it for us. Guys,
I will.
guys,
Right here.
I'm gonna go to red light, green light, so we could get some quick loot. And the briefcase could be good also.
Shut up.
Guys, where is everybody?
I beat it.
Good.
I'm falling down to zero gravity.
Guys, it's just the two of us.
I made it so ravi.
I earned this money.
Where's the briefcase?
We sold it.
I can finally buy a watermelon for my concert. Come watch my concert. Come watch my concert.
Okay.
How many people cooked the briefcase?
Say that again.
How many people cooked the briefcase?
I had one, then I died, and someone else had one, then they died.
One case respawn.
Watermelon.
By the way, go to this Discord. It's a good place. But sometimes the people in the servers are pretty chaotic. But
I stopped. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were promoting the Discord. I stopped.
yeah.
I'm sorry.
Um,
Come back.
I want to
I died.
promote other
That's not a
anything you got. If any like other games want me to promote their
What is the
game,
cheese
like
grater
I
do?
can.
What is the cheese grater do? Do not come near me. No. What does this cheese grater do?
I didn't know stuff. I did it. Who was that? Who was that? Nah, that was me because I did a little. Holy crap, that's laggy.
Did anybody make it? Somebody step on
Last
it.
day ever.
Don't explode it. Don't explode it.
Put it back on it. Actually, just put a grenade on it. Oh, we just have a huge.
Are you a wizard? You
Yes.
just pointed at it explode. What? I got
Bro, I told you I'm a wizard.
Fussing. No.
Oh yeah, you could kind of make yourself fly, but also you die. Do it.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
No.
I said,
It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Do not step on it. Do not get too excited. Do not get too. I just need it. This one's about to respawn.
ooh, grenade. I'm gonna stop. You better not show me a laser. If you show me a laser, you're dead.
He got it. What? How's that possible?
I glitched.
Do not bite at
Do
deer.
not do it.
I'm
Do not do it.
No one that bite a deer is from a landmine.
Here. Oh, I'll sing.
Bro, didn't really. Bro, it was a death song. It was a death song.
Hey, babe, check my lips.
He moves a little bit.
Yo, look,
Holy.
there's a landmine over there.
pipe bomb. You better not show me a grenade.
It's no grenade.
No, no. Why? Why? Why?
The government run, sheriff.
Oh my goodness. Why are you always so
You
dumb?
can do the grenade thing. You know how you can do the grenade thing? You know how you can do the grenade thing? With
No.
the what if somebody just opens the backpack and it's a flashbang? Who wants to try?
I want to try it. Can I try it?
I'm gonna try.
Let me try.
It doesn't even work anymore.
Oh my. I don't know why I keep doing it.
Remote!
Ooh, bomb.
Don't with that bad ideas. Oh, I'm trying to bring.
Yes.
Close it. Alright, can I open it?
No. You gotta shake it real quick. And then you gotta give it to your friend.
What is this?
Oh. I heard the rain.
It spawned on me.
Wait, you're safe, you're safe, you're safe.
Wait, what if I
Ooh, grenade!
that away from me?
I fought. I thought I was immortal for a sec. God be kidding me. But I thought I was immortal for a sec, and then I'm like,
Let's go to the minefield. Guys, let's go to the minefield.
I'm getting the
Oh yeah,
egg.
there's a mine.
Let's go minefield.
Follow me.
Do not look that way. Yeah. It didn't work. Rainbow. Your body ran out of line.
You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I'm free. I'm Spider-Man.
So that there you.
And that's yours, Pepek, by the way.
Guys, I'm here.
You can't pick it up. Wait, bro, try to pick it up. I actually can't pick it up.
Why? I can't pick it up.
Bro, actually try to pick it up. I can't pick it up. Wash over. Back up. I don't think that works. Try to take it off.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's why.
Hand crusher.
I did it! Yay! Yay! Guys, let's go to the mine shaft. No. Why not? Guess I'm going alone. Where's everybody? Guys, where are you?
I'm here.
Like, what do you mean by here? Like, where?
I'm just there.
Where?
landmine field.
Oh. I see you. Let's go.
Dang it. Don't touch the landmine. Dang it.
Should we go? What if we go up?
The black market. What are you buying? What's
Oh.
the cheapest thing on here?
Yeah?
Jason! Call me!
My VR's about to die.
My hand's stuck. Help. My hand's stuck in the ground.
We didn't bring a flashlight.
Use the god flashlight. I'm stuck in here. Don't leave me. Michael.
You could do it.
I'm free. I'm not free.
Do
Send a
this.
flashlight.
Do this.
Send help. Send a flashlight.
Use your unreleased hand and pull it up.
I'm losing everything. There's a flashlight behind the box. When you go out, there's a box. Go behind that. I have a little idea. Put a flashlight, please. Bring a flashlight. Please! I am free!
Good.
Can I have my stuff back? Can I have my stuff back? My stuff! No!
I'm too tired of this, Grandpa. Okay. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. But guys, video is over. Bye bye.